So I don't know how well you can see me right now, but I definitely look like shit. I probably smell like shit. And I kind of feel like shit courtesy of some shitty pasta. So it's just kind of a shit fest. Anyways, as all of you don't know, Dalton fucking broke his shift knob the other day. I wish I was filming it, but it probably ended up just going something like this. If you can't find 'em, grind 'em, snap. Oops, should have bought a Volkswagen. So we're gonna head down to the shop right now, and I think we're gonna turn an ASP into a shifter. Now, for those of you who don't know what an ASP is, it's pretty much an extendable police baton thing. So he can fucking poke girls in the chest when he's grabbing fourth gear, which is going to be pretty sweet. I have no idea how we're going to do it, but we're going to have to put our thinking caps on and put our fabrication skills to the test, that's for sure. But no work's going to get done for me just talking to you guys. Let's get the fuck out of here. Jesus.
Mama! Hey, baby. I just fucked up Dalton's car.
What'd you do? You fucked the neutral safety switch? You dumb fuck.
I fixed it.
How's the floppy cock fucking shifter?
What do you mean?
Did he rip it off?
Huh? What? Yeah, bro. It's right here.
Oh, true. Alright, so what's the plan?
So I found a bolt. Found a bolt. Got bolt. Found another one.
You're looking very bright today.
Thanks. Just ready to go full Post Malone Stone Eager today.
No, I was just saying your face was really red.
Is it red? Cut this down. Gonna weld this to my new shift knob. Screw it in. What?
No, I don't know how
It's a
that
shift
guy pulled
knob.
that off. My one buddy got
Show it. Oh!
It's a shift knob. So it's gonna get welded to this
on it for free.
and thread into the inside of my shifter, and then this will be at my demand when I need it.
Volvo uses, you screw it in instead of screw it out?
No. So it's a plastic. It's like a fucking gay circle that has an opening on the side, and they run wires through for the fifth gear overdrive. So it's like silicone to it. So you actually got to break the silicone, which I did by accident shifting. So my fucking shift knob broke off. So it's just fucking hanging out by the wires that connect the fifth gear, which I don't run anyway because we hardwired it to the dash. So now we're just cutting the wires off the shift knob button. I can sell that on eBay once I fix it. And then I'm going to tap the center of the shaft. So in here, I'm going to tap these, put this guy in the hole. We'll put it in the hole. Okay? And then we'll be good to go.
Well,
Mint!
air fitting on that.
Check this shit out, boys.
What the fuck?
One day it's a freaking clock.
Shop cooler
With a bottle opener.
with a bottle opener on it, yeah.
Yo, that's dope.
So whenever we go to fucking drift events and shit.
We'll bring some cervezas.
I know, I've been checking it like every single day.
What doing?
Like, I'll check it in
Tapping. Shifter.
I think you're turning it the wrong way.
You gotta work it, bro. Work
No, she
it,
doesn't.
work it, work it.
Wrong thread pitch.
Nah, dude, you're too like.
This is so exciting.
Yeah, look, bro.
Entertainment.
Brr, brr, brr. This is how you shift these, like this. Oh, it's only 4-speed. Mine's a 5-speed, so, you know, it's different.
Did you lose the bolt?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I know, but what? It's cold as fuck out. Like the ground is hard.
What if I told you the bolt was in my pocket?
Is it in your pocket?
No.
I trust my boss's judgment because
It's probably between the seats at this point.
pretty shitty condition.
No, I gave it back to
I
him.
remember
It's
the
right
one
here.
day I swung down the air.
See? Because you were sitting over there.
On you.
Well, Petey's well grounded.
Holy fuck, boys. I'm a good ground, boys. Look at that shit.
Probably should have cut more off.
How's this sucker coming along?
It's coming.
Holy fuck, my ears,
So
man.
loud.
So, shift knob's in, I think. Is it in?
Oh, fuck yeah, buddy.
Look at this fucking thing. Fucking dildo shifter, eh? And now what are we installing? Oh, you're going top?
Yeah, they're too short for
Where
the
did I see
doors.
that sticker?
Do it by eye.
Straight this side.
There, perfect. Dude, that would actually be sick.
Wow.
Dude, that's sweet. That's so
Yeah,
unique.
Freaking pastor would hate
Dude,
their
that's
life.
so
Look at
unique.
that freaking sticker.
Oh.
Dude, that's awesome. Imagine seeing that
Have
drifting.
you seen that dude? Have you seen Drift Slut?
You would never be able to use your fucking wipers, but you know.
The guy on
Drift
Instagram
Slut has
Drift
Drift
Slut has Drift Slut like this across his windshield on a M3 cut into a pickup truck.
That's sweet.
Or it's a 330 CI. It's 48 and a half. So what is that? 48. That's 24 and a quarter. So what's edge of Swede?
Are they, the thing is though, are they evenly? No, they're not.
What?
So yeah, you gotta do it that way.
It's 43. 43 inches, which is what?
It's roughly 43.
40.
That's 21 and a half. So like about here.
Yeah, whatever.
Put it on upside down.
Bro.
Edgy.
And then tell people, it's so you can see it in your mirror.
We're getting fucking pulled over in this now.
I'm getting fucking pulled over for driving high because pot's legal in Canada in fucking 10 days.
I thought it was legal as of October 1st.
No, it's 13 days, October 17th. Blaze it! I smoked a joint in here last night.
We need bigger rooms.
I need big chrome daddy.
You know what you need? I'll show you what you need. This is what you need.
There's 15 mil space in this car. Oh, the big daddies, the hundreds?
The hundreds. Wait, you got another one?
Yeah, I got two. I got two. Spoiled. The reason why this is such a cool shift knob is that once this comes off, if you got some fucking problems, you can hop out of the car, right? And take care of business, boys, okay? That's what this is for. You want one, message the channel. I might even get the fucking chrome ones built or something. And like, they'll be dope. They actually do come in chrome. So, if you want one, I can hook it up. They're illegal. They're illegal to have, but you can buy them in the mall near my house.